Benidorm. They have here karaoke, entertainment followed by karaoke. And they have cheap drinks. Oh, this is nice here. Kind of good price. Done. Special steak, $14.50. It's cheaper here. A lot of shops here. Shoe store price, good price. Going to a tapas bar that I found on Google Maps. Good review and okay price. It's closed. It's gonna open at 6:30 p.m. So we have to find another place. Is that the beach already? Look, I see the beach already. Oh, so many choices. So many options. So we just eat where you be like. So we're here at the beach. Some stalls are still closed until now. And it's January 2. A lot of shopping. A lot of shops. So we just have to choose where to eat. Something light because soon we're gonna have dinner.
I thought I was place tapas, you know? It's very late.
At the end is the beach. That's the beach.
There's
Yeah.
Euro jackpot.
Maybe we win lotto. Bon boss.
Let's see, maybe some snack.
You wanna eat something standard, not like. Let me see the price. I don't want any more Spanish. So wavy. Wow, it's beautiful. Nice wave, so wavy. Look at how strong. It's windy. All we have to do is choose. Manila. Look at that.
Snacks, drink. Oh, see here?
There's a singer. Wow, very busy. Somebody playing guitar. So suddenly it's dark. Look at this guy. They're only accepting now takeout. Fish and chips. Squid rings. Uncut chips. Kruns and burgers. That's beautiful. It's chilly. Now it's cold. And look at the bar here. Mostly from the UK. The bar. It's an amazing place. And it's not summer, it's winter time. Wow, look at that. They also have this in Alicante. Look at this. American bar. Wait doon. Doon. The kids climbing up the tree. You can't climb this tree. Maybe years ago.
No, pero primero el que bajó.
In Alicante.
Salut!
Culture. You have also?
No, actually it was America.
KFC.
Everything is so full here in
It's
town.
close. This
No
is
wonder
January
it's
2.
good, right? Yeah.
And steakhouse. El Bodegón. Let's see what they have here. Steaks and grills. Nice price.